To remove the nose from the tool, we first need to remove the retaining ring with suitable circlip pliers. We can then slide off the retaining sleeve. Once the retaining sleeve has been removed, we can remove the split rings. Some pressure applied to the end of the nose towards the tool will help release them. We can then unscrew the collet from the tool piston. Once removed, we can pull out the jaws and sleeve for inspection. To reassemble the nose onto the tool, firstly push the sleeve onto the jaws and then push the jaws into the collet, making sure it seats fully home. The collet can now be screwed onto the tool piston. Take notice of the flat surface at the base of the collet. The collet needs to be screwed in until the top edge of the flat surface is level with the front edge of the tool. Then continue to screw the collet until the locking ball drops into a valley on the piston threads. Only when this is achieved can the anvil be fitted. While pushing gently against the end of the anvil, fit the split rings. Once the split rings are in place, the sleeve retainer can be fitted, followed by the circlip.